Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to math class. We discuss another topic, multiplication. Multiplication of fraction. First one is by a whole number. By a whole number. By a whole number. Question is 3 by 5. Question is 3 by 5 into 4. 4 means 4 divided by 1. Both are same. 4 divided by 1 equal 4. Okay. 4 by 1 is 4. Then we multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 12. 3 into 4, 12. 12 divided 5. 12 divided by 5. Clear? Okay. 12 divided by 5 is the result. Another one is by a fraction. By a fraction. By a fraction. Question is 2 by 3 into 5 by 2. A fraction 2 by 3 multiplied by another fraction. That is 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 5, 10. Operation is division. Divided 3 into 2, 6. The result is 10 upon 6 or 10 divided 6. Clear? Okay. Then another one is of. Operation of. Of means multiplication. Of means multiplication. The question is 3 by 2 of 6. 3 by 2 of 6. Of means multiplication. 3 by 2 into, of means multiplication, operation is multiplication into 6. Then the result is 6 means 6 by 1. Both are same. First we multiply 3 into 6, 80. 3 into 6, 80 by 2 into 1. That is 2. 18 divided 2. What is 18 divided 2? 9. 9 is the result. Clear? Okay. Then another one is division of fraction. Another one is division of fraction. 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 Same as multiplication, but it is division. First case is by a whole number. By a whole number. By a whole number. Question is 8 divided 5 by 4. Question is 8 divided 5 by 4. In this case of division, first we write 8. This can be converted. Division can be converted into multiplication. Division is converted into multiplication. Then the reciprocal of 5 by 4. Reciprocal of 5 by 4. The reciprocal of 5 by 4 means 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 8 means 8 by 1. 8 means 8 by 1. Then we multiply. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 4, 32. 32 divided 5. 32 divided by 5. It is the result. Then you converted into the mixed fraction. No problem. Okay, 32 divided by 5. You divided by 5. You get a mixed fraction. No problem. You write the answer. Clear? Okay. Then another one is by a fraction. By a fraction. By a fraction. By a fraction. Question is 4 by 9 divided 3 by 2. 4 by 9 is a fraction. 3 by 2 is another fraction. The operation is division. The same method. First we write 4 by 9. 4 by 9. The division operation change into multiplication. Division can be changed into multiplication. That means into. Then we take the reciprocal of 3 by 2. The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. That means 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Then we multiply. That is 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 8 by 9 into 3. That means 9 into 3 is 27. The result is 8 by 27. Clear? Okay. Then another topic is simplest form. Simplest form. Simplest form or lowest form. Simplest form or lowest form. Question is 12 by 18. 12 by 18. This fraction we converted into simplest form or reducible form. 12 by 18. Which number is divided? 12 by 18. The common number which is divided by 12 and 18. 12 and 18. We divided 2. We divided 2. Divided. Both fraction we divided by 2. 12 divided 2. That is 12 divided by 2. 6. By 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. 9. 6 by 9. Another which number is divided by 6 and 9? 2? No. We divide by be divided by 3. It is common divisible by 6 and 9. That is, the result is 6 divided by 3, that is 2, by 9 divided by 3, that is 3. The result is 2 by 3. Clear? 2 by 3. Then it is the kind of simplest form of 12 by 18. Clear? Okay, this is the final result. Okay. Then another one is comparison of decimal. Comparison of decimals. Comparisons of decimals. Comparison of decimals. What is decimal? Decimal means a point. Example is 4.2. This is a decimal. Another decimal is 3.7. 3.7. 4.2 is a decimal. 3.7 is another decimal. Clear? Okay. Then we compare the decimal. Compare the decimal means which decimal, that means which number is greater in the form of decimal. Which number, 4.2 or 3.7 is greater? 4.2 is greater than 3.7. That means we know the symbol 4.2. 4.2 greater than 3.7. Clear? You have so many examples. Okay. Then the topic is comparison of decimal. Then another one is 5.9 or 9.5. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? In the case of decimal, which one? 9.5. But the symbol is 5.9 is less than 9.5. Clear? Okay. Then another one is multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimals. Multiplications of decimals. First one is by whole number. By whole number. Multiplication of this. Question is 0.2 into 6. 0.2 into 6. Then you multiply. You first avoid the decimal. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 2, 12. Then the part of decimal is 1. 1. 1 point of decimal. 1. Then we put the decimal. This one is 1 place of decimal. In this answer, we put 1 place of decimal from left to right to left. That means point is 1.2. 1.2. Another question is 4.5 into 6. You multiply 45 into 6. 5 into 6, 30. 0. 3 is carry over. 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 3, that is 27. 27. But it is one place of decimal. One place of decimal. We put this side. That means one place of decimal. That is, result is 27. 27. Avoid 0. Okay, the result is 27. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Then, in this chapter, we discuss multiplication. First one is by a whole number, then by fraction. Another topic is division of fraction by a whole number, by a fraction. Another one is simplest form. Reducible form. Another one is comparison of decimals. And last one is multiplication of decimal. Okay, these topics are clear, students? You catch my points? Okay, then you write some important questions. That means homework in your notebook. Clear? Question is, first one, 3 by 5 into 4. Another one is 9 by 5 into 2 by 4. Third one is 4 divided 3 by 5. And last one is 9 by 4 divided 6 by 5. These are the questions you write in your notebook. Okay. Then, thank you for listening.